Wala ako rin. Kudjapa plants in Sunes. Key information, scientific name is Amaranthus Corrientulus. English name red amaranto pigweed. Local names Kudjapa, Cebuano Tagalog, Culitis Uray Tagalog. Description: the fast growing leafy vegetables and edible leaves using a virus disease like such. Amaranthus is good source of protein, antioxidant, and fiber. Ingredient for the recipe. Nasaan na ba yun? Ay, ba't nawala yun na? Geography. Kumanham, Holland, Filipino, read mo na to. What is the mini peats? I want to know. Spinach din pala siya. Spinach din pala siya. Kudjapa, Cebu means Davao. Well known talaga sa Davao. Kudjapa, Philippine Directory, Kudjapa, Herb West. Daming mga advertisement.